Almost a steal. Actually, he
Completed.
completes the steal. Paeng Are, bumitin sa ere. Paeng Are.
And
Wow!
one.
May deflection dito mula kay Are. Kondisyon na habol. Buhat bantay.
Hang time niya, no? Ang tagal sa ere. Hintay muna bumaba. And may kasama pang foul.
At pumasok na. Doon diretso eh.
Sayang.
May content na sana. Are! Wow! Over the outstretched arms of Kevin Santos. This is what Coach Ralph Rivera was explaining. Paeng Are, reading the defense. Balik sa apat, ang lamang ng mga letranista.
Sa high post, zoom action.
Are,
Ang ganda ng pass.
wow!
Minsan mapapanood mo na lang si Are sa ginagawa niya kasi nakafocus sa kanya yung defense. Pero sabi nga ni Are, hindi lang naman ako puro tira. Kaya ko rin sumut.
Escobedo with a steal. Are with a rebound. Napulot pa ni Are ang bola. Inside pass. San Sebastian takes the lead.
Kailangan talaga nila pumunto sa paint.
Kailangan depensa na yan. At ito yung hinihingi ni Paeng yung bola. Extra pass doon si Raymart. And what a pass. Paeng Are shovel to tip the ball away from Santos. Are. Wow! Paeng Are, 22 points. Nakadepensa kay Paeng Are. Are has 27 points in this game. Escobedo, binigay kay Felibrico. They give the ball to their main man, Paeng Are. Letran in the penalty. Paeng Are knows it! And he gives the lead to the Golden Stacks!
Pinostihan ni Are.
29 points for Paeng Are. Estrada, no! Here comes Are. Are, inside
Nice
pass.
pass.
Felibrico!
Ganda.
3-point lead for San Sebastian. Biggest lead of the game. Yeah, I know it's not really a big lead, but I mean, it is the biggest lead of the game. Jumawas has gone cold. What a time for this burst of energy to come.
Actually, ito yung question natin kanina eh. Kaya ba nila ma-maintain yung gasoline, no? Lalo na to sa last part ng game. Yung energy na binigay nila nung first and second, kung masusustain.